In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large videos on WhatsApp. So once you open your WhatsApp account, for example, you want to send large video here, all you need to do is tap the attachment file located at the bottom. So in here, there are a lot of options. You can get videos through galleries, but for large videos, I recommend you to upload files through document. So in here, just go to browse other documents. And then on the top menu, tap on video. And select the videos that you wanted to send. And then it will now start uploading. So as you can see here, when you send using documents, the file is compressed. So if you want to check that video, you just have to tap the document and now it will be automatically open. And you can also try uploading using your gallery. So just go ahead and select some videos. And once done, just send that one to your WhatsApp. But the difference here is it takes more MB if you're going to use the gallery. Unlike when you use your document, it will compress the MB. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.